Hola amigos, it's me, Erica. I know I have been gone for the longest time, and I know that every time I come back, I post like 2 videos and I say this is gonna happen. I'm gonna start posting videos every week, and then I never do, and then I disappear for a year. I know, and I am so sorry, and I promise I am going to do better. It is 2020. We have no excuses. We are in the middle of a pandemic. There's literally nowhere I could possibly go. So I promise I'm gonna start posting videos. Plus, I got a new camera. I'm so excited. So anyways, for today's video, I am so excited. Let me fucking tell you how excited I am. I bought this palette from Sweet Street Cosmetics. It is called LA Lady, and it is absolutely beautiful. The packaging is amazing. I am so excited. Honey, we need more Latinx, more Chicano owned brands. Like, honey, like, come on. The beauty community right now is a fucking hot mess. It is a disaster. So all of those people need to step back and let the new unproblematic queens come in. And I'm so excited. Let me just shut up and show y'all the fucking packaging because it is amazing. We are only going to be focusing on the eyes today. Obviously, as y'all can see, I already have my foundation on, my face, my eyebrows. Honey, I said today we are going to let her and her have their moment. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so first things first, we are going to put some good old concealer on our eyeballs. That way the eyeshadow could. Once the concealer is all over our eyelids, we're gonna go ahead and grab the palette, and we are going to get into Boulevard, which is this beautiful like cream color. And I always do this anytime I'm doing like eyeshadow or whatever. I just always go with like the cream color, and I just stick it right under my eyebrows. Let's do Dusk. It's this really beautiful chocolate color. Okay. Oh, honey, yes. Yes, 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 yes. She said she is here. She says she is brown and proud. Wow. Can y'all see that? This is such a beautiful chocolate color. It is so stunning. I really love it. It's so blendable. It feels really nice in the eyelids. Honey. Oh, wait, hold on. I got a pelo. Honey, it's these Jeffree Star brushes are falling apart. They're falling apart. Just kidding. Okay. Now we are going to get into Cruisin'. Yes, we're gonna go in with Morena, which is this beautiful dark brown color right here. It's gorgeous. And we're just gonna put a little bit, just a little right here. Oh, look at that. Wow, these are really good browns. Okay, so we are going in with our good old concealer stick, and we're just cleaning up the area. We're gonna grab this little brush. I believe I bought this at a probably Five Below, so I am not sure, but I do like this brush a lot. It has come off, so as y'all can see, I did use eyelash glue to stick it back on. But I highly recommend. It's a good brush. Okay, so we are gonna go in the shade Sun. Oh, I love that. Oh, wow. Are y'all seeing this gold? What? What is this? Oh my God. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna clean the brush off. And then we're gonna dip into, oh, shine. Sunshine. Honey, okay, so we're gonna dip into shine. And we're gonna put that right in the inner corner. Wow. Honey, these shimmers are fucking beautiful. Like, I'm like, this is amazing. This is amazing. And this is an indie cosmetic brand. Honey, girl, this is amazing. And the eyeshadow pigment is just beautiful. It's there like 100%. It's so good. It's so fucking good. Okay, so we're gonna dip into Cruisin'. We're gonna dip into Cruisin' and we're gonna just put that right underneath. Bitch, imagine with the fucking eyeliner, it's gonna look so good. Honey, we are gonna be doing eyeliner next. I am so excited to try this out. I hope I like it, honey. Okay, so this is the Sweet Street Wing Queen eyeliner. I don't know if I'm supposed to shake it or not. Okay, I don't know, but let's just try it. Let's just do it. Let's just get into it. I think I just found my new favorite eyeliner. Like, every fucking eyeliner could just fucking pack their shit up and go, because this bitch is here to stay. She is here to stay. Oh my God. This is like the most easiest eyeliner application I've ever done in my whole entire life, in my whole entire existence. And I've been wearing winged eyeliner for a very long time. And I've tried everything. This is, wow. Girl. Girl. Do y'all see what I just did? Do y'all see what I just did? Oh my God. Do y'all see that black dot on my nose? Oh my God. I'm acting very calm right now. But I'm about to fucking lose my shit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a really fun time doing it. I promise I'm gonna post more videos, hopefully. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But I have a new camera, so I feel fucking unstoppable. So honey, but do not forget Sweet Street Cosmetics. Like, honey, get with it, follow them, support them, support your black and brown businesses. Honey, you need to get with it. Come on, like, look what they did. Fucking beautiful eyeshadow pigment, beautiful eyeliner, amazing products. Honey, this is beautiful. Don't don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment what I should do next. To my 10 viewers, please comment. I need to know what to do next because I don't know what to do, but I want to post more videos, hopefully. And honey, it is raining. What? Fucking, I swear to God, Houston weather is just so unpredictable. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video.